Good morning. Today is October 13, 2023 Friday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, October 13, 2023. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for October 13, 2023 Friday. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 13, 2023 Friday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of October 13, 2023 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.